In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify sender address in Mailjet. Before we begin, make sure you can access the inbox of the email address you want to use, because Mailjet will send a confirmation message there. Verifying your sender address proves you own it, helps protect your brand, and is required before you can send emails from that address through Mailjet. Start by signing into your Mailjet account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to Account Settings and look for the section labeled Senders and Domains. Depending on your interface, it may also appear as Sender Domains and Addresses. This is the central place where you manage which email identities are allowed to send through your account. Inside Senders and Domains, select the option to add a new sender address. You'll see a prompt asking for the email you want to verify. Type the exact address you intend to send from. Take a moment to double-check spelling and punctuation. Small typos can derail the verification and create confusion later. When you're confident it's correct, choose Add or Continue to submit it. As soon as you add the address, Mailjet automatically sends a verification email to that inbox. Switch over to that mailbox and look for a message from Mailjet. It usually arrives quickly, but it can take a minute. Because this is a confirmation message, it may not always land in the primary tab in every email client, so keep an eye on other folders just in case. Open the email and click the verification link inside. That link securely confirms that you own and control the address you entered. After you click the link, Mailjet marks the address as verified. From this point forward, you can use it as the from address when creating campaigns or sending transactional messages. If you're currently working in the Mailjet dashboard, you can refresh the Senders and Domains page to see the verified status reflected there. To recap, the flow is straightforward. Sign in to Mailjet. Go to Account Settings and then Senders and Domains. Add the specific email address you want to use, and confirm ownership by clicking the link in the verification message Mailjet sends. Keeping your sender list accurate and verified not only ensures compliance with Mailjet's sending policies, but also supports better deliverability and trust with your recipients. That's all you need to verify a sender address in Mailjet. Follow these steps anytime you want to authorize another address, and you'll be ready to send with confidence.